Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we revisit the case of Betty Broderick, once a suburban matriarch in San Diego, whose desperate divorce and custody battle ended in a shocking double murder. But after decades of media attention and prison time, where is Betty Broderick now? Let's find out. Betty Broderick was born in 1947 and married attorney Dan Broderick in 1969. Their marriage appeared enviable from the outside, but it unraveled during the 1,980 seconds amid accusations of infidelity, legal battles, and control issues. On the 5th of November 1989, Betty broke into Dan's home and fatally shot him and his new wife, Linda Kolkena, while they slept. Legal proceedings followed. Her first trial ended with a hung jury. The second led to a conviction for 2 counts of second-degree murder in 1991, and she was sentenced to 32 years to life. Betty has been incarcerated ever since. She is serving her sentence at the California Institution for Women in Chino, California. Her attempts at parole have been denied multiple times, for example in 2010 and again in 2017, due to concerns about her remorse and insight into her actions. She is not eligible for another parole hearing until 2032, at which time she will be 84 years old. Where is Betty Broderick now? As of now, Betty Broderick remains behind bars under the oversight of the California Department of Corrections. San Diego Reader. Her case continues to receive public interest due to its dramatic nature and the broader conversations it raises about divorce, abuse, and accountability. Although she is incarcerated, her story has been retold in movies, TV series, and true crime documentaries, keeping her name in the public eye. Betty Broderick's story is one of intense emotional collapse, criminal consequence, and lifelong imprisonment. From a high-profile socialite to a convicted killer, her life took a dramatic turn, and today she remains confined, with release unlikely for many years to come. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you found this episode eye-opening, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life updates on where people are now.